Hello to everyone. Greetings from the Department of Commerce, School of Business Management and Legal Studies, University of Kerala. I am here to introduce before you a course on cost and management accounting proposed to be delivered by us through the SWAYAM platform for the UG students. As I mentioned, the title of the course is Cost and Management Accounting. Regarding this course, we know that decision making in a competitive situation is the major challenge faced by the modern organization. The aptness of decision making is based on the cost identification, codification, classification and accumulation. Hence, various parties like the entrepreneurs, managers, accountants, they all need to have a basic understanding of the cost management functions of an organization. Hence, the course Cost and Management Accounting has become an integral part of the commerce and management studies. This course is usually offered either as a core course or as an elective course in most of the universities in India and abroad as part of their UG or PG curriculum. So the present course is designed as a 4-credit course to suit the requirements of undergraduate students of almost all the universities in India, with provision for continuous and terminal assessment leading to certification and credit transfer. For the industrial players like entrepreneurs, accountants and managers who wish to upgrade their existing knowledge in the field of cost accounting and management decision making can also undergo this particular course leading to certification. Cost management practices are quite essential in the working of and continued existence and capital maintenance of small and medium enterprises as they are operating under scarce financial and non-financial resources. Hence, the course may also be offered as part of various entrepreneurship development training programs by different agencies like National Rural Livelihood Mission, District Industries Center, Women Development Corporations and so on. So the successful completion of this course will equip the person to play successfully various roles like entrepreneurs, cost management practitioners and cost accountants. Any attempt towards cost reduction and control will lead to the efficient utilization of resources, which is the need of the hour. That leads to the higher GDP and better standard of living of the people. This particular course is designed as an outcome-based course. See, the overall objective of this particular course is to familiarize the students with the basic concepts of cost and management and equip them to apply various cost management practices warranted by the diversified industrial sector. The major learning outcomes of this particular course is, by undergoing this particular course, the students will be able to differentiate between financial accounting and cost accounting. They will be able to classify the cost into appropriate heads. They will be in a position to identify the functions of a cost accountant in an organization. By identifying the functions of a cost accountant in an organization, he will be in a position to play his role as an efficient cost accountant in an organization. The students will also be able to identify the marginal cost and its applications like break-even point, profit volume ratio, margin of safety and so on. They will be able to deal with the situations like make or buy, accept or reject, or continue or shut down a plant, and so on. So the course, as I mentioned, is designed as a 4-credit course offered with a duration of 15 weeks in which the expected engagement time is 3 hours per week. The target audience being the undergraduate students, and the entire course is divided into 5 modules and will be delivered with the help of audio video lectures, e-text, case studies, assignments, quiz and multiple choice questions, practical sessions, and final assessment with a credit transfer. A brief description about the course content or the curriculum. As I mentioned, it is designed as a 4-credit course with 5 modules. The course Cost and Management Accounting is offered mainly for undergraduate students and industrial practitioners. This course may also be offered to the postgraduate students too. The details of the topics covered under each and every module is shown here now. In the module 1, that is the introductory module, here we discuss about the meaning, objectives and advantages of cost accounting, difference between financial, cost and management accounting, cost concepts and the classification of cost, role of a cost accountant in an organization, elements of cost such as material, labor and overheads. These are all the contents of the first module. The second module deals with the methods of costing, in which we are discussing about unit cost, the job costing, the contract costing, the process costing, in which we are discussing about the process losses, valuation of work in progress, joint and byproducts also, as well as service costing. And regarding the module 3 is discussing about budgeting and budgetary control, in which the concept of budget and budgetary control, as well as the objectives, merits and limitations of budget and budgeting is included. The budget administration, functional budget, preparation of functional budget, various functional budgets as well as fixed budget and flexible budget, zero-based budget, everything is included in this module. And the fourth module is discussing about the standard costing, in which the meaning of standard cost and standard costing, advantages, limitations and applications of standard costing, material cost variances, labor cost variances and overhead cost variances are discussed in detail along with sales variances. And the sixth module dealt with marginal costing, in which the cost volume profit analysis, which is very important for decision making, the break-even analysis, algebraic as well as graphical methods, and contribution to sales ratio, the key factor, margin of safety, angle of incidence, decision making, cause for decision making, and variable costing and differential analysis in making decisions, fixation of selling price, exploration of new market, make or buy decision, operate or shut down decision. These are all, these kinds of decision making are all included in this particular module. So, through all these modules, we are quite sure that the students will be in a position to function as efficient cost practitioners, and they will acquire all the skills which are essential for the industries. So they will be capable with all the skills which are in demand nowadays. And we assure you that we are taking maximum pain to give you the quality input by the lectures by eminent personalities in the field of commerce and management. Our content providers include Professor Dr. Simon G. Tuttle, who is the Director of Internal Quality Assurance Cell of University of Kerala, as well as the Director of School of Business Management and Legal Studies of the University of Kerala, is an eminent professor. And another personality is Dr. Santosh Kumar, who is a professor of Cochin University of Science and Technology. And our faculty pool, the content providers pool, also includes Mr. John Brittle, who is an assistant professor in Fatwa Mother National College, which is an autonomous college in Kollam district, and Professor Rajiv Kumar Reddy, who is an associate professor in BJM Government College, Chavara, and Mr. Justin Dowdus is an assistant professor in Government College, Manjeshwaram, Kasaragod district. Father Simon Francis, who is a research scholar in the Department of Commerce of University of Kerala, and Kumari Anjali, who is a first rank holder for both MCom as well as MPhil, and cleared her UGC with JRF, and who is a research scholar in the University Department of University of Kerala, as well as myself, Dr. Biju T, Associate Professor of the University Department of University of Kerala, is also offering various lectures and content to you. So, we assure you a nice learning experience through this particular program. Welcome you all to this particular course. For further details, please feel free to contact me. My phone number as well as email ID is provided in this presentation. Thank you all. Thank you very much.